Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, a social media activist, or just someone with a growing audience, today's video is for you. We're diving into how you can earn money using HiltopAds direct link, even if you don't have a website. Yes, even if you're only using Telegram, WhatsApp, or any social media platform, you can start benefiting right away. So let's dive into how it works and how you can start earning today. HiltopAds is a global advertising network that helps you monetize your traffic. One of the easiest tools they offer is the direct link, a simple way to earn money by sharing a single link. No website needed. Click the link in the video description to create your HiltopAds account and start monetizing today. Log into your account to manage your ads and direct link. To get started, simply navigate to the Manage Site and Zones section in your dashboard, where you can set up and optimize your ad placements and track performance. Go to the Direct Links tab. If you haven't created a link yet, just click on Add Direct Link and follow the simple setup steps. Once your link is ready, copy it, and that's it. You're now all set to start sharing and earning with every click. To make the link clickable, write an informative paragraph text and encourage your audience to visit the link. You can add an image, emojis, to make it clickable. When a visitor clicks on the link you provided and stays on the page, your revenue increases. The unique advantage of HiltopAds is its engaging, game-like format, which keeps visitors entertained and encourages them to stay longer. This extended engagement significantly boosts your earnings, making it a highly effective strategy for maximizing revenue. If you have a WhatsApp group, you can create a visually appealing and informative format like this, complete with a direct link that looks just like a website URL. You can make it even more engaging by adding images, emojis, and other eye-catching elements. The more creative and interactive the format, the higher the chance that your group members will click and visit the link. To add a new ad format, request a direct link, and choose a category, simply enter a name for your link and click on Add Direct Link. You can create and request as many direct links as you need. There's no limit. If you're a beginner and unsure how to make money using a direct link, start by exploring guides and learning from the experiences of other activists. This will help you gain valuable insights and improve your approach. The platform provides a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to help you effortlessly create a direct link and seamlessly integrate it into your landing page. Plus, you'll discover expert tips on how to leverage social media effectively, boosting your reach and enhancing engagement. Learn how to effectively utilize each social media platform with tailored strategies and gain actionable insights to drive traffic, increase conversions, and maximize your revenue potential. With these proven techniques, you can optimize your online presence and turn your social media following into a reliable source of income. If you're looking to add your website to HiltopAds, verify it, and integrate various ad formats to start earning, check out our step-by-step playlist. Follow the guide and start monetizing your site today. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time and support.